Welcome to a new series called Review Under 2, where I review something in under 2 minutes. There are 2 rules. It has to be purchased by me within the last 6 months. Today we are reviewing the DJI Mic 2. DJI, I've been using their drones for the past 10 years and they have really good technology. Like, I've always loved their brand. One of the hugest pros for me is that the battery life is astronomical. I have only charged this once and I have filmed every single video on my channel on it for the past year. Another pro is that you can magnetize it to you because they each come with little magnets that are insanely strong, or you can use a little clamp that it comes with as well. It's also very easy to hide in your clothes. One of my resolutions last year was to really up my audio game on YouTube, and I didn't have anything professional and I didn't really want to do something you could see on you. All I have to do is hook it up to my iPhone, clip this to me, press record, and it doesn't slow me down in the filming or editing process, and that's a big deal. I didn't want it to slow me down at all. So as you can see, it's on my phone and it's recording in my voice memo app. Check to see if the mic is working, do a little sound test. You can see the sound waves, they are working. And then I just airdrop that file to my MacBook and synchronize it in Final Cut Pro. I have a tutorial on that called audio syncing and I'll link it below if you're having trouble. There are so many pros. I don't even think I named any cons because I'm so happy with this purchase. I agree with all the reviews. It's amazing. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. I make so many videos on video editing every 2 weeks, so if you like the type of content, you should subscribe, and I'll see you in 2 weeks.